This hospital is operating on a 1970 chassis. It's like supercharging your automobile. You've got to have a better and faster race car to keep up with the demands of society. The $135 million that we're spending is so that we can better serve present and future generations. It is true that we serve the city of Chesapeake. It's also true that we serve southwestern Virginia Beach, northeastern North Carolina, and serve a population that really approaches well over 500,000 people, closer to 700,000. It's important that we make these investments. Most of what you're seeing is inpatient oriented, but it is also tied to a larger plan that you don't see, which also is the ambulatory world. So this is a critical care tower being developed, a 4th, 5th, and 6th floor. The 4th floor will be a state-of-the-art intensive care unit. The 5th floor will be what we call a step-down unit. It'll have the same functionality as the 4th floor, so we could convert it to an intensive care unit if, things like that have happened this past year with a wild swing of patients. And then the 6th floor would be what we typically call a telemetry floor. So this is the centerpiece of what's going on. The other things that you don't see here obviously would be the physical plant that has to support all of this new square footage, 100,000 square feet. Also our beautiful cancer center, soon to have a grand opening this August or September. We're in the planning stages of that. And then ultimately too, we are building out space for our cardiac services that we hope to have approved sometime in the future. And then our pride and joy, our commitments to women's health. We are so pleased that once this critical care tower is finished, we'll be able to go into our mother-baby unit, expand the size of our postpartum rooms, and provide a better experience for families. And we'll also be making some accommodations too to our special care nurseries. But there's a lot that we're doing over the next 5-10 years that will benefit the community.
Now you can stay up to date on the expansion as well as all the other offerings at Chesapeake Regional Healthcare by following them on Facebook or by visiting chesapeakeregional.com.